Guys, how are you? So today I'm sharing a very delicious recipe. It's a Chinese recipe. It's very popular in restaurants. We go out and eat in restaurants and enjoy that recipe. It's called Chicken Szechuan recipe. It's a Chinese chicken that you can enjoy with fried rice or fried noodles. So first step, as you have seen in my previous recipe of chicken Manchurian, this is a chicken which I fried earlier. This chicken is very easy to fry. This chicken is a boneless chicken which I fried with some plain flour, some corn flour, some salt, some soya sauce and some baking powder. I mixed it, make a batter and then deep fry it in the oil and make the chicken ready. For every Chinese recipe that you're making, you have to prepare this chicken first, and then the next step is easier. It's just mixing the sauce and the chicken. So whatever, if you're making chicken Manchurian, you need to make this kind of chicken. If you're making chicken honey, which I'm going to show you in my another recipe, you need this same chicken, same procedure, which I showed in my chicken Manchurian. So if you want to check out that, you can check my chicken Manchurian recipe, which is underneath. So I need, this is about 1.5 kilograms of chicken cubes which I fried earlier in the batter. Here I've got about half cup of chili sauce. This is normal chili sauce. This is about 1 cup of tomato ketchup. This is white vinegar, about half cup of white vinegar. Soya sauce, about 2 tablespoons. This is just plain flour. This is corn flour, which obviously I'm going to use to thicken this sauce in the end for the dry. And then this is the main Szechuan sauce which I made home earlier as well, and this is a very easy to make. This, if you can see this chicken, this is a Szechuan chicken that you make Szechuan sauce with. This is a dry chili which is not very hot. So what I did, I boiled the chicken in hot water. I boiled it and then I just blended with water. So you will have this sauce. I did not add anything else because I'm adding everything separately, like garlic and ginger and sugar and everything. So because I'm adding everything in the sauce, so I did not add anything in this Szechuan sauce. But if you want to pre-prepare this Szechuan sauce, what you can do is you can just blend these red chilies with sugar, brown sugar, and with some red chili powder, and you just blend it together, and then Szechuan sauce will be ready. You can add garlic as well, but because I'm using here separate everything, like you can see, I've got chopped garlic, chopped ginger, green chilies, and here I've got some for a bit more spice because I like Szechuan chicken to be a bit spicy. So I'm using crushed red chilies as well. Some black pepper. This is Chinese salt, optional. This is chicken powder, optional. And this is just plain, this is just white salt. And I'm using brown sugar for the sweetness, and just spring onions, some green capsicum, and some yellow peppers. These are optional as well. Some people add them, some people don't. My family likes peppers a lot, so I'm going to add them in the end. First step, I'm just adding my ginger, garlic and my green onions into oil. I'm going to just saute them. You don't have to make them brown, just fry them on high flame. Don't make it dark. So now, as you can see, it's nearly frying. Now at this stage, I'm going to add my Szechuan sauce which I made earlier as well. I'm going to pour it all in there. Let it cook with ginger and garlic. Next, I'm adding my tomato ketchup. It goes. Next is chili sauce. Here's chili sauce. Mix it. Now brown sugar and soya sauce and I'm going to add my dry ingredients, which is black pepper and crushed red chili, salt, Chinese salt, and some chicken powder for extra flavor. Let the sauce cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now as you can see, the sauce is all thickened and look at the color, it's beautiful. And at this stage you can just check the taste, the spiciness, the sweetness, and if you want to adjust that, you can adjust. There is no rules and regulations in Chinese, to be honest. It's according to your taste. You can add or subtract. If you want more spicy, you can add more spicy. If you like more sweetness, then you can add more brown sugar. So I just checked it and it's absolutely perfect. Now I'm just adding the white vinegar in there for some sourness, and I'm going to add a little bit of water, because what's going to happen is when I will add the chicken, this will thicken more because the chicken will absorb some of the sauce, and I don't want it to be really thick because I'm going to serve this with fried noodles. So I just added some water in there and just added my vegetables. I want the vegetables to be very crispy, so I'm just adding in the end. You can see that this sauce only takes 5 minutes to cook, not more than 5 minutes, because nothing needs to be cooked more than 2 to 3 minutes. And honestly, it just took me 5 to 7 minutes and everything is ready. So it's just in Chinese, it's just the pre-preparation is took time. The especially the frying of the chicken, this took longer. Otherwise, making the sauce and everything else, it's very quick and very easy recipe. At this stage, what I got is I've got just some corn flour left, just a little bit of about 1 tablespoon of corn flour I'm going to add at this stage just to thicken the sauce a bit. And last but not the least, I'm going to just add the chicken in there, which I fried earlier. So in goes the chicken, and just mix chicken with it. Now you can see the chicken Szechuan is ready with fried noodles. I'm showing you in 2 ways. One is individual serving. I'm just adding a little bit of spring onion just for the decoration on the top, just to make it look more pretty and more appetizing. And the smell of spring onions, I love it. So this is, guys, chicken Szechuan with fried noodles. Enjoy that recipe. Please subscribe to my channel, Farzi's Fantastic Food, and thumbs up if you like the recipes. Share this recipe with your family and your friends, and do try it. And let me know in the comment area that if you want any help, if you like the recipe, then do let me know, and I'll be very happy to help. Alright then, see you later then. Thank you. Bye.